In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule and manage reports in Zoho Books using the Reports Automation feature. If you regularly need to keep track of your financial data, but don't want to keep manually generating reports, automating this process can save you a great deal of time and effort. We'll go over every step you need to take to make sure your reports are sent out just when you need them. To begin with, let's navigate to the Reports section within Zoho Books. This is where all your reports are conveniently housed, and from here, you have the power to automate them according to your workflow and needs. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. Once you've reached the Reports section, find the specific report that you would like to schedule. Zoho Books gives you a range of reports covering different aspects of your financial health, so be sure to choose the one that aligns best with your current objectives or ongoing projects. Now, look for the Schedule Report button. It's usually located near the top of the page, easily visible for quick access. Clicking this button will take you to a pop-up window where you'll set your scheduling preferences. Inside the pop-up window, the first thing you'll notice is the frequency option. Here, you can select how often you'd like the report to be sent out. Options typically include weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Choose the frequency that works best for your reporting needs, keeping in mind the kind of data you need at your fingertips. Next, specify your start date and time. This is when the very first report will be generated and sent to you and your team. Setting this up allows you to decide whether you want this information first thing Monday morning or later in the week when all activities have been accounted for. You'll then enter the email addresses of the recipients who should receive this report. This is particularly useful for teamwork, allowing each team member or stakeholder to stay updated without having to log into Zoho Books themselves. After that, you need to select the format you want the report to be sent in. Common choices are PDF and XLS, so think about which format makes it easier for you and your team to read, analyze, or import into other systems. Lastly, once all these preferences are set, simply click the Save button. This not only saves your scheduling preferences, but also activates the schedule itself. At this point, you can sit back and rest easy knowing that your financial data will be delivered automatically, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. By following these straightforward steps, you can streamline your financial reporting process considerably. Thank you for watching, and happy automating with Zoho Books.